lives unseen. Look away from reality. Hide behind a mask. Look confused when you're asked what you've done to help humanity. It's not you, it's not me, it's all together. Try to change all the harm we've done to ourselves, to the earth, to the voice not yet heard, to the world left behind our own. Change all the harm we've done to ourselves, to the earth, to the voice not yet heard, to the world left behind our own. colors. Every day going no, nothing other. But you don't really want to be gone. You just wanna feel like you belong. Is this just me? Cause I feel like this is not how it should be. But the conclusion is this: if you were to go, you would be missed. 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 You would be
Why should I be depressed? I've got enough money, I've got a job, people like me. There's no reason to be depressed. That's as stupid as saying there's no reason to have asthma or there's no reason to have a measles. You've got it. It's there. It's not about reason. You don't get depressed because bad things happen to you. That's getting pissed off and annoyed. That's reasonable. Depression is something that happens like weather to you inside you. One day it will get better.
try living in a world without color.